Welcome to all. Today we are here with types of chemical reactions, and we all are aware of chemical reactions. What are they? Any change happening around us is a type of a chemical reaction. So how many type of chemical reactions are there? So here it is. There are four types. Direct combination. See, it is direct combination is also called as synthesis reaction. Why? Because in this reaction every time a new product is formed by reactant. Every time a new product. Keep this thing in mind. Every time a new product is formed, therefore it is called as synthesis reaction. Because here the reactants are direct combined to form a new product, therefore it can also be called as direct combination. Next reaction is our displacement reaction, also called as substitution reaction, because in this reaction the reactants are exchanged, or the reactants have interchanged their radicals to form new compounds, new products. Therefore it is called as displacement reaction or substitution reaction. Now next is our decomposition reaction. Now decomposition reaction, and the last is our double decomposition reaction. Now how to identify? See, in our examination many reactions are given, and there one question is that identify or write the name of the reactions. Now how to identify? Here I am giving you those things, how to identify them. Now see here, in direct combination and decomposition, see they are written in same color. The reason for this is direct combination and decomposition. What is the major difference? See here we are taking two reactants. हम दो reactant लेते हैं और हमको एक product मिलता है. Whereas in decomposition we are taking one compound and two we are getting. See here we are taking one compound, and this one compound is giving you two or more substances, and in combination two or more reactants combine to form one. Here two reactants give one product, and here in decomposition one compound give you two, just opposite to each other. Two give one give two. This is our decomposition. Now next, in this how you will identify? यहाँ पर बेटा सिंपल सा रिप्लेसमेंट होता है. इंटरचेंज ऑफ रेडिकल्स इज simple exchange of radicals is seen here. Now if you are coming to decomposition will give you two products, and now what here, this double decomposition will give two reactant and two new product. Now see what is the difference here. One will give you one compound and two product. Here two reactant, two new substance. Okay, now how many types? Now see here, decomposition again is further divided into three types. It is one thermal reaction, thermal decomposition reaction, when the reaction or the decomposition takes place in presence of heat. इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ? यदि हम कोई रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं और हीट दे रहे हैं, तब वो कंपाउंड यदि सिंपल सब्सटेंसेस में डीकम्पोज होता है, देन दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड थर्मल, बिकॉज वी आर गिविंग हीट. Decomposition, because it is decomposed into simpler substance and in presence of heat. Another type is electrolytic decomposition reaction. This reaction occurs in presence of electricity. Next is our photochemical decomposition reaction. This reaction occurs in presence of light. Now come here, double decomposition reaction. It is of two types. Precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction is that reaction in which one of the product is formed as PPT, precipitate. Precipitate is any insoluble thing which settles at the bottom. अब इसमें आपने रिएक्टेंट क्या लिया है, इसमें ये 100% श्योर है दैट वन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट विल बी योर लिक्विड और इन एक्वस फॉर्म. ऐसे आप रिएक्शंस को पहचानेंगे. प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन में किसी एक रिएक्टेंट का लिक्विड या एक्वस फॉर्म में होना कंपलसरी है. सेकेंड टाइप इज योर न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. इन दिस सॉल्ट एंड वाटर इज फॉर्म. देखो बेटा, in precipitation reaction precipitate is formed, whereas in neutralization reaction salt and water is formed. और कौन रिएक्शन करता है, एसिड और बेस. यदि हमने इन कुछ चीज़ों को पहचान लिया इन द होल लाइफ वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई और राइट टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शंस. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर सिंपल रिएक्शंस. फर्स्ट इज अवर direct combination reaction. Example, suppose here we are taking A plus B. Two reactant, it will give you A and B. This is a new product, है ना. So therefore it is a direct combination or synthesis reaction. ठीक है. Now next is our displacement reaction. Here A is one of our reactant, then BC, it will give you A C plus B. सिंपल डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हुआ, यहाँ पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुआ, सिंपल सा सब्सटीट्यूशन हुआ है. देयरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड एज योर डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन और substitution reaction. Now next is our decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, one compound AB, it will give you two or more simple substances A plus B. Now suppose if this decomposition takes place in presence of heat, this will become your thermal decomposition reaction. If this decomposition takes place in presence of electricity, ये बन जाती है आपकी electrolytic decomposition reaction. And if this reaction occurs in presence of light, this becomes your photochemical decomposition reaction. Now in double decomposition what happens, AB plus this is one compound CD, see it will give us AD plus CB. Now see here how it will give. See here, two reactant, two substance, two reactant, two product, one reactant, two product. It is displacement or exchange. It is two reactant, one product. आसानी से आप इसे पहचान सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू सिंपल एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल इज, नाउ सी here there is one example of direct combination reaction. Two reactant we have taken and it is giving you one new product. So this is a synthesis reaction. Now another type of reaction, when we are taking magnesium and copper sulfate, it will give you, see you have reacted magnesium with copper sulfate. What you will be getting, you will be getting magnesium sulfate and copper. It is simple displacement, simple exchange of radicals. Now there one CaCO3, it will give us two products. What they are? Calcium oxide plus CO2. One reactant is giving you two products in presence of heat. So this is our thermal decomposition reaction. Now next is our double decomposition reaction. Here AgNO3 plus KCl, it will give us, now see here, before explaining that I must explain this. Ag will dissociate into Ag plus and NO3 minus, and K will go into K plus and Cl minus. What will happen now? This plus will go with this minus. So what new product we will be getting? We will be getting is AgCl plus, हम पहले प्लस रेडिकल लिखते हैं, प्लस KNO3. This is our double decomposition reaction. Thank you for watching this video.